There's a hidden power that most men never discover. It's not loud. It's not flashy. It doesn't chase. It doesn't beg. It doesn't try to be more just to keep her attention. It simply is. The most powerful men in a woman's life are the ones who are willing to lose her, because they don't lose themselves. This script isn't about games. It's not about making her jealous or going cold. This is about emotional clarity. It's about detachment. Not disinterest, but detachment. It's about being so grounded in your mission, so fulfilled in your own life, that your presence feels like a gift, and your absence a warning. When a man lives like this, something changes. She senses it. She starts to realize, I could lose him. And suddenly she values you in a way she never did when you were chasing, texting, and trying to prove yourself. You don't need to speak louder. You just need to speak less and let your actions say the rest. For more, why most men fail? Most guys are taught the opposite. They're told to show her how much you care. Be consistent. Don't let her slip away. But let me ask you this. If you're always available, always chasing, always proving, where's the mystery? Where's the value? She doesn't feel like she has to earn your time. And what isn't earned isn't valued. When a man is constantly chasing, he becomes common. And when something is common, it loses its edge. This is why women test men. Not because they're cruel, because they're craving certainty. They want to know if you're the man who folds under pressure, or the man who stands calmly while everything else is spinning. You pass the test not by reacting, but by not needing to react. That calmness, that quiet confidence, that's what makes her insecure about losing you. Silence is a weapon, but not in the way you think. Let's talk about silence. Not the kind where you ghost someone, not the kind that punishes, the kind that commands respect. When you're not constantly explaining yourself, when you're not defending every move, when you go silent to focus on your goals, your growth, your peace, you create a void, and that void starts to echo in her mind. Where is he? What's he thinking? Why isn't he chasing? She may not show it. She might act like she doesn't care. But inside, something shifts. She starts to feel your absence. She starts to realize that you're not like the rest. This kind of silence, it makes her question her place in your life. And when she's unsure of that place, she starts to fight to keep it. Scarcity creates demand. Why do people line up for something limited? Because it's rare. Because it's not always available. Because they can't just have it when they want. Most men make themselves emotionally cheap. Always texting, always around, always trying to make her feel secure while they feel insecure. Flip the script. Become scarce, not to play games, but because your time is valuable. Your focus is on building something greater, your life. When you stop giving constant reassurance, when you stop trying to manage how she feels, she starts to miss your presence. She starts to crave your energy. And when a woman feels like she might lose access to you, that's when the game changes. She starts showing up in ways she never did before. The power of emotional mastery. Here's what most men don't get. Women aren't looking for emotional weakness. They're looking for emotional strength. That doesn't mean you can't feel. It means you don't get ruled by what you feel. When a woman says something that stings and you don't react, when she pulls away and you don't chase, when she tests your confidence and you smile calmly, she sees something in you most men don't have. Control. Not control of her. Control of you. That's what makes you powerful. Because you can't lead with panic. You can't attract with desperation. You lead with presence. You attract with peace. And peace is the one thing she can't fake. She can't act like she's unbothered when your calmness is louder than her chaos. Making your life bigger than her. Here's the truth. If she's the center of your world, you've already lost. A woman should want to join your life, not become it. When your world is full of purpose, when your time is consumed by passion, when your days are busy with building something great, she realizes she has to earn a place in that world. Not because you said so, but because your life is moving with or without her. And that movement, that forward momentum, that's what makes her feel insecure about losing you. Not because you threatened her, but because she sees you growing. And growth is the most attractive thing a man can show. Because it proves he doesn't need her. He chooses her. The quiet confidence. She can't resist. Real confidence isn't loud. It doesn't need to show off. It doesn't need her validation. It comes from knowing who you are. When you stop explaining yourself, when you no longer need to win arguments, when you smile, walk away, and let her think about what she just lost. She feels it. She feels the shift, the energy, the clarity, the strength. Because most men try to prove their high value. But the rare man, he doesn't prove. He is. And the moment she realizes you don't need her approval is the moment she starts chasing yours. Don't try to control her. Control you. Trying to control a woman is weak. Trying to convince her to stay is weak. Trying to win her back with words, promises, or gifts, weak. Control yourself. That's the only power you ever had anyway. Your discipline, your focus, your ability to walk away, not in anger, not in revenge, but in peace. That's what shakes her. She realizes he won't fight for me because he doesn't have to. He is the fight. Let her feel that. Let her feel the weight of a man who values his peace more than her approval. Because once she senses that, her behavior changes. You don't have to ask for respect. You just have to become someone it would hurt to lose. Living like a rare man. Stop trying to be liked. Start becoming someone worth missing. The man who can be happy without her. The man who doesn't fold when she pulls away. the man whose silence speaks louder than anyone's noise. You don't have to make her insecure on purpose. You just have to live in such a way that your absence creates a void. A man with direction. A man with patience. A man who doesn't try to rush love, beg for attention, or explain his worth. That's rare, and women know it. They feel it. They remember it, even when they try to forget. Be the storm. She can't predict. At the end of the day, the real art isn't about being mysterious. It's about being solid. It's about being a storm she can't predict, but respects. When you stop giving all your attention, when you stop needing to be chosen, when you stop making her feel like she's the prize, you become the one she is afraid to lose. Not because you manipulated her, but because you mastered yourself. So stay focused, stay still, stay quiet, and watch how she starts to speak louder, just to feel heard by you. Watch how she starts chasing what you once gave freely, because the man who can walk away in peace is the man she never wants to see walk away again.